Do you want more? More?
You want more? 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 Okay, here you go. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Whoa, your favorite. Give it a kiss. Bite it. You can bite it, babe. Is it cold? Big bite.
Squish.
There you go, kiddo.
Are they sour?
Why is this so foreign to you? You eat these every day. I think maybe because yesterday I cut them up for her. So you gave... Ooh.
Oh, there we go.
For daycare, I split them in half.
Emma.